Is it time to buy or sell D-Wave Quantum stock? In this video, we are diving deep into D-Wave Quantum. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 11th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has classified D-Wave Quantum as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.33. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 58.64% since we initially designated D-Wave Quantum as a buy candidate 24 days ago. This equates to an average return of 2.44% per day following its classification as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are expected. The current 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 105.98% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 37.89% and 165.44%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month forecast suggests a projected change of around 202.69%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 47.94% to 261.28% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price within a range of $24.45 to $59.72. Our latest daily update for D-Wave Quantum includes the headline, Red Day on Wednesday for D-Wave Quantum Inc. The stock price of D-Wave Quantum Inc. declined by 2.36% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 11th of June, 2025. The price decreased from $16.93 to $16.53. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 9.46%, with a day low of $16.17 and a day high of $17.70. Over this period, the price has been quite volatile, resulting in a loss of 5.81% over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day by 26 million shares. Although this occurred amid falling prices, which may signal an early warning, the risk level is expected to rise slightly in the coming days. In total, 86 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $1.42 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the stock reached $19.77, while the lowest was 75 cents. Currently, the price sits at $16.53, which is 16.37%, or $3.24, below the 52-week high of $19.77, marking the all-time high for the stock. D-Wave Quantum, with the ticker symbol QBTS, has witnessed an astonishing increase of 1,360% in its stock price over the past year. This surge reflects a rising enthusiasm for quantum computing technology. This remarkable rally occurs amid fierce competition, particularly following IBM's recent advancements in quantum capabilities, which raises questions about D-Wave's competitive positioning. The volatility in the quantum computing sector has been highlighted by NVIDIA's CEO, who recently shifted from skepticism to expressing optimism about quantum stocks, further enhancing investor sentiment. Companies like D-Wave are now at the forefront of transformative technology that could revolutionize computational power, enabling them to tackle complex problems that were once considered insurmountable. In the short term, QBTS may experience fluctuations as analysts and investors reassess its market edge in light of competitor innovations. However, the current momentum indicates strong bullish sentiment, which could contribute to price stabilization. Looking to the long term, the rapid advancements in quantum technology may solidify D-Wave's position as a key player, creating significant growth opportunities, especially as the market for quantum solutions expands. Investors should closely monitor ongoing developments in the industry as patterns emerge from both competitor advancements and emerging technologies. A strategic focus on innovation and market adaptability will be essential for the sustained performance of QBTS. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, January 14, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, July 24, 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy rating with an initiate action. On Tuesday, May 14, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned QBTS a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, May 14, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned QBTS an overweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, May 14, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned QBTS a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned D-Wave Quantum stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also classify the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for D-Wave Quantum. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, May 22, 2025, and so far it has fallen by 13.18%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored more closely. Some positive signals have also emerged, which may influence the near short-term development. The D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this creates a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. On further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $17.43. In the event of a decline, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $12.76. A breakout through the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown through the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal from 14 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 82 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 25 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 25 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, short moving average, sell signal from 26 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 36 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 155 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for D-Wave Quantum. D-Wave Quantum Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $16.33. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits significant daily movement, indicating high volatility, and with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is categorized as very high risk. In the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by $1.53 between its high and low, representing a change of 9.46%. Over the past week, the stock has maintained a daily average volatility of 10.77%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for D-Wave Quantum, let's briefly discuss some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns due to various factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate insufficient profits and pose risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative $0.0575. It is essential to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for D-Wave Quantum. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for D-Wave Quantum is at $16.56. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, D-Wave Quantum encounters its first support level at $16.33. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for D-Wave Quantum from multiple analyst sources is classified as a strong sell. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider transactions were conducted by Nguyen Diane, who bought and sold 144,017 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 30.05. In total, insiders acquired 45,739,834 shares and disposed of 87,114,739 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $15.74, which represents a decline of 4.77%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which indicates a considerable level of risk. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top identified 13 days ago. Is D-Wave Quantum stock a good buy? Several of the indicators are showing negative trends, which we believe will impact development in the coming days and possibly weeks. However, we think that the current level presents a potential buying opportunity with expectations of a price increase during or by the end of this 3-month period. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 12th of June, we anticipate D-Wave Quantum to open higher by 270 cents, starting at a price of $16.80. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.